Ashley Glam Fam, it's your girl Jonna, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I got a PR package from Addie Rawr, who is a black artist who makes art, stationery, greeting cards, actual print, art prints, journals, so much more. And so she sent me a PR package of some of her latest goodies. And if you hear a little one in the back, listen, I gotta get this stuff done. So it is what it is. Okay, first things first are these super cute plant stickers. I probably have more plants than I need, but I am a plant mom. I have several plants.
Oh no!
It's like a mini print. It's so cute. So this is like for a smaller frame. This is like a greeting card. It says congratulations. And the inside is blank. I love this card. It's really nice. And it comes with its own matching envelope. Next is one of her mini books. She has a few varieties. This is the fitness one. But I believe she has a prayer one, a meal planning one. You can kind of get whichever one you feel like you need. And so the cool part is she has everything kind of mapped out for you inside. This is really cool if you want to track, you're looking for a journal or a book that you can track, what you're eating, your exercise later. So I'm glad she sent me the fitness one. It's really nice. And the last thing, oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, this feels really soft too. Like the feel of this just feels like silk almost. I don't know what she uses, but and this is just a blank journal. She has like a little quote in the beginning, but the pages are just blank pages, so you can take notes or you can use it as a to-do list. So this is everything that came in the package. I absolutely love it. If you see anything that you like, definitely check the description box, and I'll try to put something in the screen to help you guys if you want more information on how you can make a purchase and support this black designer, artist. Everything is amazing. Thank you so much, Addie. I appreciate you sharing it with me so I could share it with the Ashley Glam Fam. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.